Are you a developer and you need a server to test new plugins or features, but you're too broke to purchase a server? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a local server for completely free. Okay, so first what you're going to do is go to the PaperMC website. I'll have all the links in the description down below, but before we do this, you need to make sure you have Java installed. To check if you have Java installed, you're going to type cmd in your search bar, click enter. It's going to open up this window right here. You're going to type Java minus version, and it should respond with something along the lines of this. If it doesn't, it's no worries. We'll close this out, go back, and this will also be in the description. You're going to scroll down, and it should be under JDK 25 by default. You're going to click Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, depending on whatever you're using. You're going to click X24 installer. You're going to click this link, it'll install it, and you'll just click the download and follow this instruction. But I already have it installed, so we're not going to worry about that. So let's go ahead and X this out. And now we're going to go server software. We're going to click paper. And if you don't want to use 1.21.8, you just click the build explorer right here. You can select all, you can go down and go through the versions. Me personally, I'm just going to use 1.21.5 since that's what I have loaded up on Minecraft. I'm just going to the latest one, click download, and it should download in the top right. So I'm going to click download, save, and it will save. Once that's done, we're just going to go back to your desktop, and you're going to right click. You're going to click new, type folder, just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to type tutorial, and double click it. All right, so now we're just going to go back to the desktop. We're going to right click, we're going to click new, we're going to type folder. You can type whatever you want here. For me, I'm just going to type tutorial, click enter. You're going to double click it to open the folder up, and then you're going to want to drag that file we just downloaded into the folder, and then you're going to right click, show more options, click rename, and I'm just going to name it to server.jar. This right here is important for what we're about to do next. So now what we're going to want to do is start the server. So to start the server, we're going to do Windows, CMD, enter. It's going to open up command prompt. Now we need to get into this folder right here. So we're going to double click, go back to the folder, click on this little address bar right here, and Control C to copy it. Now we're going to go back to command prompt, click on it, type CD space Control Shift V. Or click enter, and now you'll see we're in tutorial, or we're in desktop dash tutorial. And now we're going to type Java minus jar, and then we're going to type server.jar, or whatever you have this labeled as. So now we're going to type enter. It's going to say downloading Mojang 1.21.4.jar or 1.21.5.jar. It's going to say applying patches, no crash, and so this error right here is saying there's a more recent version of Java. So I'm going to have to go back to the link and re-download Java real quick. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're starting up the server. Okay, right here says fail to load EULA.txt. You need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. So now we're going to minimize this, not close it out, minimize it. Double click on the tutorial, and click on this, and it should open up a document that says EULA equals true, or EULA equals false. We're going to change the false to true. Now we're going to go file and save. Now just close that out, minimize this, and go back to the command prompt and click the up arrow to show what we previously typed and click enter. It should say it's starting server up, initializing plugins, initialize 0 plugins, and then it should show this little GUI right here. And do not close either of these out. Okay, so now you just go on, load up Minecraft, click multiplayer, and click Direct Connection. Now, in the server address, you're just type localhost. I have cap lock on, so that's why it's all capital. And click Join Server. Just hit Plugin Encrypting. You see on the right, it shows that I've joined. And this is not my actual IP address. This 127.0.0.1 just shows it's an internal server, so it means it's on the same thing. So now if we type in chat, it'll show we typed it. We can go right here and type op my username. Now it shows I'm an operator, so I can go and fly around, do whatever, and now that's good. So I'm gonna show y'all how to add plugins now. Add plugins, you're just gonna go back to the folder, go to plugins, and just add the plugins to this folder right here. Just add the jar, and you'll want to restart the server just by closing it. We'll see it shutting down, and you'll see right here that it's closing the server down. And to start the server back, just type java jar -jar server.jar, and that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hopefully do more tutorials like this. See y'all next time.